Struggling with CSDM in CIS-Data Foundations exam? Don't worry. In this video, I will explain it in a very simple way. Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will learn CSDM, means Common Service Data Model, an important topic for the CIS-Data Foundations exam. I will explain it in an easy way with examples, so you can understand and remember it for the exam. Let's start. So what is the primary purpose of CSDM domains? Option A, to manage user roles. Option B, to organize CMDB data into logical groupings. Option C, to track financial assets. Option D, to manage incidents. So the correct answer is option B, to organize CMDB data into logical groupings. So we can briefly, CSDM means Common Service Data Model. So CSDM domains divide CMDB into logical sections. So data is structured clearly. So each domain represents a specific layer of service modeling and a specific purpose of an IT operations. This ensures standardization and clarity in CMDB. So CMDB divide data into multiple pods for organization and structural data. Next one, which domain focus on core foundation data like locations and organizations? Option A, design. Option B, foundation. Option C, manage technical services. And option D, sell and consume. Option B is the correct answer, foundation. So foundation domain contains basic data required across the platform. For example, locations, users, groups, organizations. These are the building blocks for all other domains. Which CSDM domain defines business applications and services? Option A, foundation. Option B, design. Option C, manage technical services. Option D, sell and consume. The correct answer is option B, design. So the design domains defines business applications, application services, and business services. So it represents how services are designed and structured. Next question. Which domain is responsible for managing infrastructure components? Option A, sell and consume. Option B, foundation. Option C, manage technical services. Option D, design. The correct answer is manage technical services. So manage technical services domain includes servers, databases, network devices. This domain represents technical infrastructure supporting services. Next question. Which domain represents services from a customer or business consumption perspective? Option A, foundation. Option B, design. Option C, manage technical services. Option D, sell and consume. The correct answer is sell and consume, option D. The sell and consume domain represents business services offered to users, service consumed by customers. Example, online banking service is consumed by users. So end users is the sell and consume domain. Next question. How do CSDM domain helps in service mapping? Option A, by removing CA relationships. Option B, by organizing services and infrastructure into structured layers. Option C, by tracking financial data. Option D, by managing incidents. The correct option is option B, by organizing services and infrastructure into structured layers. So CSDM domains create a layered structure. Sell and consume, this is a business view. That is a end users view. And design, that is the application view. And manage technical services, infrastructure view. It includes servers and network devices. So these include manager technical services. Application view is the online banking app. So this enables clear service mapping and visibility. Next question. Which domain acts as the base for all other CSDM domains? Option A, design. Option B, manage technical services. Option C, foundation. Option D, sell and consume. The correct answer is foundation, option C. The foundation domain supports all other domains. Without foundation data, services cannot be mapped. Ownership cannot be defined. It acts as a base layer of CMDB structure. We can take example of while we construction building. The foundation is important, no? Same logic we can apply here. So foundation domain supports all other domains. Without foundation, there is no building structure. So foundation is the most important. Same logic we can apply here for the CSDM. The foundation layer is most important. In which domain are application services primarily defined? Option A, foundation. Option B, design. Option C, manage technical services. Option D, sell and consume. The correct answer is design. So application services belongs to the design domain. They represent logical grouping of application components. How applications support business services. For example, banking app is the application services. Next question. What is the relationship between design and managed technical services domains? Option A, they are unrelated. Option B, design defines services, manage technical services, provides infrastructure support. Option C, both store financial data. Option D, both manage users. The correct answer is option B, design defines services, manage technical services, provides infrastructure support. For example, application service is a design. It runs on the server. Server is a managed technical service example. Next question. Why is the sell and consume domain important? Option A, it manages servers. Option B, it represents services from a business or user perspective. Option C, it stores C attributes. Option D, it manages CMDB tables. The correct answer is option B, it represents services from business and user perspective. So sell and consumption domain focus on business services, customer facing services, and it answers what service is delivered to the business or customer. For example, email service, online banking service. These are the sell and consume domain examples. So finally, you can conclude to the foundation is the base data. For example, users, location, organizations. These are the foundation examples. Design. Design is the business and application services. Managed technical services best example is infrastructure. It includes servers, databases, and networks. And sell and consume example is business or customer facing services. Finally, we can conclude as CSDM domains organizes CMDB into layers for organized data. It helps in services mapping and impact analysis, and it provides the clear businesses. That's the technical visibility. So that's all about the CSDM concept for the exam. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel. And if you have any doubts, ask in the comments. I will help you. Thank you for watching. Wish you all the best, guys.